Paying with Apple Pay on Tamil is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how yes can pay with Apple Pay on Tamil. So for that we will go to the time where application. Now in the time where application I'm just going to close this app and I'm going to go to my profile. You just have to tap on you and you need to log into your campus. Now here you have to scroll down until you see this option. You just have to tap on settings. Now here you have to simply tap on your payment methods and there you'll be able to see these options. Now here you have to know a tap on Apple Pay. Just in my case I'm in my Android and I cannot see Apple Pay, but in your case there should be able to play. You just need to tap on that. It will take you to Apple Wallet. Now in the Apple Wallet you will have to select the card which you want to use through the Apple Pay, and after that you will easily be able to use that. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.